Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and if this is your first time, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel right below. So I want to start with highlighting how the market is behaving today, but the main part that I want to share with you is this amazing actually report that I found in the web that I really like because it's really cool-headed. It has both feet on the ground. It is something that I really see something really realistic. So I will get to that in a second. But first, I want to show you how the market is behaving. So we can have a feeling of the global picture here. Uh, as you can see, the market it is bouncing really well. We see a lot of green across the dashboard. This is something really great and that I like. Hopefully, we can maintain that momentum and we can see finally the beginning of the true bull run of the crypto market. And if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that Bitcoin bounce here from the resistance. I mean the support that we draw here a couple of days ago. If we go to a bigger time frame, we can see that it actually bounced really nice. So we're in a great shape, good there. And the whole market it is on green as well. So that is the current state of the crypto market. But here's the true document, the true purpose of this video that I wanted to share with you. This is the Shiryo Inu price prediction for 2022 and beyond. So this is really great. So starting with it, it actually starts with some introduction with the crypto market and mentioning all the Bitcoin players as well. But this is something that I want to highlight. As we already know, recently the NFT sector has gotten all the attention. With the metaverse coming up, everyone is extremely hyped. Moreover, even corporations have joined in the hype. If you haven't seen my NFT videos, please go to the channel, it is right there. And as well as start talking about the fundamentals, it's mentioned in the white paper here that we cover already as well. Please go look at it. It mentioned the tokenomics. It mentioned the roadmap that is as well in the white paper, the avatars that we already covered as well, the Shadowverse, the price analysis, the current price analysis. But here's the actual interesting part. So they present to us something that is called Coin Codex, and as it mentioned in Coin Codex is an algorithm-based cryptocurrency forecast website. That is really cool. They continuously provide their users with algorithmic predictions regarding different cryptocurrencies, and recently they released the price prediction for Shiryo Inu. And according to the statistics, Shiryo Inu is just preparing. Awesome. So we are early. We are just starting go buy Shiryo right now. And their forecasts show Shiryo Inu in a bull market throughout the next years, and additionally, their Shiryo Inu price prediction gives the token a trading value of 8 zeros 1131 by the end of the 9th of the January of 2022, and this will mean a 1200% increase of the current price in just some days. So this is 80. Let's corroborate 2468, and the current price of Shiryo is 246810. So they are actually expecting for Shiryo to delete 2 zeros in just a couple of weeks. I think that is 3 weeks. Yeah, this is one, this is two, this is three. So that will be amazing. What will you do if actually Shiryo ate 2 zeros in 3 weeks? Go buy right now. Again, I cannot actually stop mentioning that. It is not financial advice, but it's a good advice. Okay, and to wrap it up, he states that that Shiryo Inu could eat up another zero, meaning that it could experience at the next. Obviously, this is Jamie Tech, and here's the video of Jamie Tech mentioning that. And the next part of this report, it mentioned the predictions for the rest of the 2022 and the coming years. So here comes the real interesting part. So by the end of 2022, Shiryo Inu could continue being volatile and reach a price of 41. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and 41 hundred dollars. So that's fine. It means that it can go up a little bit more. Instead of 1100, it can go to 4100. That is really great. And for the next year, in 2023, it mentions that the market could take some time to cool off after 2 years of massive scale growth and adoption. That is really normal. That is when the bear market is actually the one that is governing all the cryptocurrencies. So that is something really normal that we have a bear market between these years. And after setting an all-time high in 2022, Shiryo Inu could fall a little bit. I mean, that is expected. Not everything can go up all the time. As I mentioned, crypto markets move in diagonals. They move sideways. They cannot go up parabolic all the time. That is really something that's not gonna happen anywhere. And it's expecting that we have a little bit of pullback, almost half of the price, but that is really normal since it's actually touching almost the previous all-time high. So that is normal. And for 2024, there is the Bitcoin halving event. That is something really bullish. So, having that in mind, although Shiryo Inu might have a slow start of the year as the third and fourth quarters of 2022 come closer, meaning the start of the bull market, the price of Shiryo Inu could increase tremendously. By the end of 2024, Shiryo Inu may reach a trading value of 2,467 zeros and 63,000 cents. So it means that it's gonna eat up another zero. We have already taken out 3 zeros, as I know. So, and by the end of 2025, the whole market is likely to be bullish during the 2025, so it should be, so right now we're at 2021, and then we will be at 2025, so that's the 4 year cycle, and obviously the last cycle, it is the most bullish of all. And there are several other reasons why Shireen is likely to be bullish in 2025, not just because the bull market. First off, the manual bonds will be more and more tokens as the project gets more users. We will get more bonds and the supply will decrease significantly. Secondly, until 2025, most of the products planned to launch during 2022 could reach the peak of users, the peak of utilization, you name it. And lastly, Shiryo Inu could take over the play turn until then. So, which may positively affect its price. So, by the end of 2025, Shiryo Inu is likely to reach a potential price of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, six zeros. That is correct. 21, 213 cents. So that is nuts. I mean, we are removing another zero here. Yeah, 6, 2, 6, 7. Yep. So we already removed 4 zeros in 4 years. I mean, imagine if you have, I don't know, let's say you have 20 trillions. Let's open the calculator here. You have 20, that's millions, that's billions, that's trillions. And we multiply by this. Where's the calculator? You will have something close to 4 millions and a quarter dollars. So imagine just investing right now. So it is 20 trillions. That's billion, trillion by the current price. Uh, no, sorry. I need to add a couple of zeros here. 1, 2, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 4, 5. Only $900, $1,000, you name it, to actually have $4 million in 4 years. So I don't know what you're waiting for. This is something that is gonna explode, as I already mentioned. So I will be looking forward for you to getting into the project. And if you have any questions, please put them below the comments. And see you next time.